What about the sit-go news? How much do you think that is going to alter the game in Venezuela?
I mean, this is a huge story because if you think about for Venezuela, all their exports to China and Russia are essentially paying back loans. They generate revenue by placing barrels in the United States. So we really are taking away billions of dollars from the Maduro government. It's a move designed to get the military to finally abandon him. Whether that happens remains to be seen, but it is a crushing blow for the Venezuelan economy. But even for U.S. refiners, it's going to cause a struggle to get more heavy barrels at a time where we have sanctions on Iran, so Iranian barrels are not coming into the United States, and Saudi Arabia has decided to cut exports to the United States in an effort to pump up prices. So I do think it's going to be very interesting to watch the dynamics play out with Gulf Coast refineries and the hunt for the heavy barrel.
Yeah, and now the Venezuelan oil tankers that are out there on the high seas, they can't come to the United States from what we've been told and some of the reporting that we have done. They're going to have to go find new markets to sell their oil, probably India or China, but they're probably going to have to sell that oil, Helima, are they not, at a deep discount because, of course, you've got a lot of factors and U.S. political heat. Could that alter the pricing model for oil?
Absolutely. I mean, if you think about it, this has now become the ultimate distressed barrel. It's going to be more expensive for Venezuela to get those barrels there, and they're going to have to offer significant discounts to get anyone to take those barrels. So again, I think the key question in terms of the political dynamics in Venezuela is anyone going to step up and provide new financing? So again, look to Russia, look to China. They are the ones who can determine how long Maduro stays in power. If they give him a lifeline, he may have some more time. Otherwise, he could be out, in a shorter period.
Helima, the reason we got you on this big story is because we want your opinion. Here's the thing. Russia's Rosneft owns 49.9% of PDVSA. They control it. They bailed them out once before. PDVSA, theoretically, I don't think it's an exaggeration to say, could collapse if they get no oil revenue. Do you really believe that Russia would step in and offer the Maduro regime more money or a new loan when they're probably afraid they're not going to be paid back the money they are already owed?
I mean, there are reports that the Russians have been reaching out to the opposition in order to have all of their bases covered. But this is also a very important strategic relationship for Russia. They've had military contractors down there. They sell a lot of weapons to Venezuela. This has become an important strategic partnership. So the question is, are they going to potentially do what they did in Syria, provide the lifeline like they did to Assad, or are they going to try to find new inroads with new partners in order to ensure that they keep their acreage in the country and some influence there?